Hey y'all, Elise here from Team Tatum, and we are finally going back on another camping trip. Woo. We're going to a park we haven't been to before. It's called Cedar Hill State Park, which is in Cedar Hill, Texas, a little bit outside of Dallas. I cannot wait. It looks pretty nice from the pictures online, and yeah, we'll see y'all when we get there, once William gets off work. Speed that up! Well, we made it. We're at Cedar Hill State Park in Cedar Hill, Texas. I'll show you our view. There's William up there with the boys. I'll show you the boys in a minute. But this is our view. Really pretty. I wish that our campsite was a little bit more private. You can see, like, that's it. You can see all of it. There's a little itty bitty nook like right behind the picnic table, so that's where I want to set up the tent. We'll see if that's where we actually set it up, but I wanted to show you how I packed the trunk really quickly before I unpack it. I did a real good job. So this is our new tub that we got to store most of our camping stuff in. We eventually want to be able to fit all of our camping gear just in this tub. Then we have our two tents, one for us, one for the boys, the dogs. One of our water bottles, the other one is William's backpack. My camera gear, William's tennis shoes, tripod, cooler with our dinner for tonight in it. And here's my backpack, William's backpack, two lawn chairs, the air pad that goes under the cover in the tent. So it's stuffed to capacity, but very efficiently at the same time.
Here's the coffee can we talked about that we store up all of our lint and dry sheets in to start the fire. Got my little hatchet here. Got a bag of old cardboard boxes that we talked about before. So just cardboard, packaging paper, whatever. Trusty matches. See how long it takes to get this fire started. If your wood doesn't burn all the way, save that wood. That's right, that's how cheap I am. I took this from our last camping trip. I was like, there's still wood left on this. We're still good to go. So I got like 2-3 logs that are partially burned, and then I got a whole new stack of new logs. So try out this hatchet, see if I embarrass myself. I got this log cabin setup going. The smaller pieces of wood on the bottom, the bigger pieces up top. Let that burn down to some coals, and then I can put the fold-out grate that we have, because we don't use that because we don't trust it. Well, I don't trust it. So yeah, we brought on this collapsible. So once it burns down a little, we'll flip that out. All right.
Well, as you can see, it's dark 30 outside now. Thanks, fall. It's pretty dark early in the day, but we got the tent set up at least. Now we're about to cook dinner, so we'll show you what we're making. All right, just kidding about cooking. I have to use the bathroom, so I'm about to go find the bathroom right quick and then come back and cook dinner. Let's see what it looks like in here. Not shabby. Oh no, too much.
Got some potatoes, mushrooms, and some onions.
Pre-marinated in butter.
Seasonings off there. Did it last night. So we don't have to worry about it today.
Dinner is served.
These are our new utensils right here. Fork, spoon, knife. Spoon.
I'm scared of the knife.
Knife also doubles as a can opener. And whatever that would be. Whatever. But cool part is bam. Two separate pieces. They slot in there. Yeah, they still new, so it's hard to
Still learning.
spring out. Yeah, it's our first time using them. We just ordered them. So yeah, now you got fork and knife.
That's smart. Hola.
Hola.
We are in the tent now. We just finished packing up the site, cleaning up everything, putting stuff up that might get eaten or stolen. And what are we about to be doing in here?
Besides eating snacks, after dinner snacks, I downloaded a couple movies for our 1001 movies list, so we can watch some movies this weekend and kill two birds with one stone, get some relaxing camping done, and record and watch some movies. So I'm gonna watch one of them tonight. So one tonight, one tomorrow night, and drink some wine.
Anniversary wine. It's our anniversary weekend. That's it.
That's all we doing. So, dogs in their tent. Hopefully they go to sleep soon. They don't keep nobody up barking. So, fingers crossed.
And we will see y'all in the morning. Peace out. What's up, Mert? Anything you'd like to tell the people? Nice working with you. Day 2 of the camping trip. We just had to make a run to Walmart. One of our tents was missing a stake, and unfortunately it collapsed on Riggs. Nothing serious, it just fell down. He didn't even get up, he stayed asleep. So we went and got more steaks so that we could have that down secure for them. It was windy as all get out last night. Like, I thought our tent was gonna fly away with us in it, but made it through the night. It only got down to like 66 degrees, but I was freezing. William and I discovered that Texas has ruined us, because last night we were like, man, the temperature's starting to drop. It's getting real chilly out here. What's the temperature? It was 74 degrees. I was like, man, what is wrong with us? 74 degrees is cold now. But I did end up having to get under the big thick gray blanket that we were meant to lay under, but also the comforter that was under that. I had to get under both of them. I was too cold in 66 degrees. But we're about to get the day started, get breakfast going. Spoiler alert, it's just the potatoes from last night. We do have some protein bars and that kind of stuff to hold us over the rest of the day until lunch and then dinner. But let's get the rest of this day going. Also, check out that view again. Ooh, can you see it? Is it too bright? It's quite pretty. We're gonna make our way down to the lake to show y'all too, but that's after breakfast. It's about to get real. We bought a few new things for this trip. We got a little camping pot set and camping eating utensils. It's a multi-purpose thing. It has a fork, spoon, and knife on it. Almost looks like a pocket knife when you see it. Then we got a stove. It actually came with the little pots, and so we are gonna attempt to cook with propane tank. Wish us luck. I think that's the only new things we got. What else new did we get for this one, William? We got the pots. Can you hear me? I was like, what else new did we get for this trip? Oh, y'all saw the trunk. It wasn't for this trip. We just didn't have it on our last trip. First aid kit. Ooh, that's about it.
Got these little carabiners. Got a 10-pack. We've been using them for everything, hooking them up on stuff. Super cheap for a 10-pack. Bag pot came in. So there's a lid, which is this pot. Small pot. Saving space, the handles fold. Same thing with this guy. Got a little washing ShamWow deal. It's got measurements in there if you needed exact measurements for whatever you were doing. We can also fit those Swiss Army knife looking utensils that we showed you last night. You can fit those in here along with this, and then this goes on top. It goes back in the bag, put in here. It's pretty sweet that it came with it, because this was fairly cheap. What we'll be cooking on this morning, which is a little foldable, stove. But you screw this onto the propane tank. These little arms fold out, and they're pretty sturdy, so they can hold big supplies. Here's a little igniter. Press that, and it'll light. But yeah, I think that's all the new stuff. See the little carabiners, the pot set that came with this, and the first aid kit.
Yeah. And the trunk. I told them the trunk wasn't really for this trip. It's just something new that we got since our last trip.
Boom.
Seal it down here to get away from the wind. Murtaugh maxing, relaxing. The rig's still being bad. He had the nerve. You see that bone right there that he keeps investigating? William got him that bone. And he refuses to eat it anymore. He tore it up yesterday. Instead, he found a tree branch and was eating it. Heating up yesterday's potatoes. Using the propane stove for the first time. We're officially real campers now.
You know how long the trail is?
They're different lengths. The one that goes around, well not around, but near the shore was a mile. I remember seeing that on the map, but it has it listed on the map.
As you see, water, what's that, sewage hookup, electrical hookup. Because again, technically this is for RV people. So this is the first time we've had water, like I said, at a campsite.
I think electricity too.
And electricity. So, but it is convenient because we use less of our water. Good old camp soap.
Spoiler alert, camp soap is just Castile soap. So if you have Dr. what's it called, Bonal, whatever, soap, you can use that when you go camping. That's what we're gonna do when we run out of this soap.
And we're done.
Forgot my deodorant at home, so I have to use Williams. I'm gonna smell handsome today, y'all. We're heading down to the lake now. All of the actual roads to the lake were closed, so we parked at the park's entrance and we're walking down one of the closed roads. And this dog, for some reason, wants to walk on the wrong side of me. I have Murtaugh strapped to my fanny pack while we're walking, and Riggs is with William, but I'll show you what it looks like so far. William and Riggs, me and Murtaugh, engage. Walking down this road. Luckily it's a four-way stop sign, so if you hit me, you're going to jail. Oh, my toe. Look at this big old caterpillar. I think those kind might be poisonous now that I look at it closer. We made it to the lake, and we have it all to ourselves because the road was closed. I guess nobody else wanted to walk over here. Like me. But look what happened from me submitting to William's words and actually walking. So I was pressed, set on driving over here. Zero miles. I believe this trail is only 1 mile, but we shall see. We are accidentally going to something's house right now.
What is this?
This is the third poop pile we've passed on our journey. Let's see where it lives, I suppose. You think we're gonna get eaten, William? Huh?
Huh?
You think we're gonna get eaten?
Nah.
Hope not.
I'm gonna say the deer.
Gonna hope a deer.
Left
Out of the
the poop.
option. Hope a deer. Or a raccoon. But it's too big for a raccoon. That's definitely the nuts that I've been seeing. Be a deer. Be a deer. So this little section of the lake, you can see is cut off right there, the little curve. That's where you're allowed to swim safely. It's got a little bit of sand, if you can see it. There's a little bit of sand. It's looked better, but that's how it looks today. But yeah, if you ever come out here, Cedar Hill State Park, this is the safe swimming section. You can get in the other water. You can see they have the little barriers there too. And you can of course like get in boats, kayaks, canoes, all that good stuff too, but this is the safe part that they deem safe. Kid friendly, if you will. That's the end of the actual trail, and then it's just a sidewalk that goes down to the end where those picnic tables are.
Give them a water break. Sit. Gross.
Without the snot
Sit.
next time. Sit. Go, Grandpa. It's for you too. Just because it's not your usual bowl, it is okay to drink out of.
Alright, we have your own drinking rigs.
They don't matter about
And
me.
if I do,
And he went straight for Myrtle's.
drink rig.
Beware of the sugar ants. They said they look like fire ants, but they don't bite, but they get in everything, even in subject, even in subject.
Good boy.
Kids, they're eating everything, guys. I'll see how long this lasts. Free nation ever. There's nobody out here though, so unless they get beat up by a deer or something, they should be fine. I ain't know if they get beat up by a deer either. Also, I think this part of the park might be actually closed. They said that the roads were closed because they were doing road work. However, all of the bathrooms are locked as well, so maybe we're not supposed to be over here. But it was nice to have close to ourselves at least. So.
There wasn't no signs that said don't come in it.
Yeah, there wasn't any signs that said you can't come in, just that they were doing road work, so who knows? We did it! It was only 1 mile, which is nothing, but to these bougie dogs, specifically old man Murtaugh, it was a whole heap of a trick. Now, back to where the folks are. Maybe we'll try another trail, see if the dogs can handle it or not. They probably can't, but I wouldn't mind trying another trail. They're in the other direction of where we park. This is the only trail this way, so we got to walk back almost all the way to the car and then turn, and then that's where the other trails are. So we'll see.
That's a huge bird.
Is this a walkway? No. Are we gonna walk down it? Obviously, we already are. The lake is really pretty. Look at this huge bird flying towards us.
Are you eagle?
Maybe. Hi, welcome back. Don't eat my dog.
He said I just might.
The journey continues.
Apparently not.
We're at Penn Farms. Going down a trail. Seeing which way to go.
Huh.
Then
To the right.
down a trail. They made it easy for us. The other direction to the left was closed, so we have to go to the right. And we're gonna go through, see all the stuff, show you the stuff, so on and so forth.
Interesting tree.
This is a plow. There used to be slaves here. It was a plantation of sorts. So let's go check it out.
Kick.
Whoa. That is a decline.
Are we walking down it? Thought we were just gonna sit and look at it. Y'all see how deep that is? How steep? Look, this is ground level. He can literally disappear if I keep holding the camera right here. Apparently, me and Murtaugh are supposed to be going down there too. Pray for us.
The shame.
I could have done. We know you couldn't have my time. We know you couldn't have. We somehow made it on the wrong side of the fence. I shall show you. See that fence right there? See those buildings? We're supposed to be on the other side with those buildings. I don't know what happened, but I got a strong feeling it's because we weren't supposed to climb down.
I think it's still good. It's a dirt path.
Because other people did it too. That don't mean you're supposed to.
We have better signage.
Let's roll, Joe. Confirmation that we were going the wrong way. We made it to the fence at the end of the trail. So now we're turning around and going back the way we came. But at least we have to go up the steep hill this time, not down it. I can handle that way better. But see when we get back on the regular trail. Just got back. We went to 2 trails, the Lakeshore Trail and the Penn Farms Trail, as y'all saw. And my feet betrayed me. Well, my shoes slightly betrayed my feet, but my feet betrayed me, most importantly. So, came back. I'll take a break, rested up a little bit, and hit up the other 2 or 3 trails tomorrow. They're really small though. Won't take much time. But anything you gotta say about today's journey, baby?
Need some better markers on that trail.
As y'all saw,
so people know whether they going right or not. But good little workout. Hopefully the dogs are tired.
Hey, look it. That's a face of 2 dogs that are hopefully gonna sleep through the night. Y'all. He's acting like he on
talking to y'all too. I think I enjoyed the trail at Ray Roberts.
Lake State Park.
Lake State Park, yeah. So I think I enjoyed that one more because it was straightforward.
I don't even remember going on the trail.
That's the one where Murtaugh was like, He passed out? Well, he didn't pass out, but he was like, I'm not, you had to carry him.
Oh, okay, yeah. How did I forget that?
I don't know. But this one, the one we just got off was kind of cool because it was dirt. Like, I prefer the dirt ones over the paved ones, concrete. But those are easier to follow.
This one was more like a choose your own path.
Yeah.
Where do you want to go? Like,
so,
oops, sorry, you chose the wrong one. Yeah, the dead end.
We're gonna chill out here for a couple hours till dinner. Cook up some dinner. And, yeah. That's all. We'll take a little dude wipe down. Yeah, that's the adventures for today.
So the dog's tent is set up right in this big gust of wind that keeps coming through, and it is not winning the fight. We had to put this thing back up like 2 or 3 times. 2 of the times the dogs were inside. Well, Riggs was in the first time, and Murtaugh was in the second time just now. Neither of them came out. Like, it's fine. I'm fine. And I'm resting it up in here, better. Our pre-dinner snack. Epic bars. Well, I don't know if they're called epic bars. Epic something. We saw this on another video. I'm gonna have to just put her name on the screen because I can't think of what it is. I think it's Elsa. It's somebody in Elsa. But she went backpacking with her friend and her friend's mom. And she packed some of these to eat for lunch. But in the video, she did say that she should not have only packed this for lunch. But this is just a snack for us. It's not our actual lunch. But we're going to try these out, see how they are. So we have we have two different flavors. This one is bison. His is venison. So we're going to share. He'll get half of mine. I'll get half of his. So we can see what they're all about. Cheers. Hey, I just thought about that. I mean, I gotta bite half of it. Interesting texture. It's like
Got a little spice.
It's like tuna almost.
It's weird. It's a meat bar.
Yeah, I thought it would be more like jerky type texture, but this is like crumbled up meat compressed into a bar. Interesting. Mine is, it has cranberry and uncured bacon. Yeah, yours had pepper and something. Yeah.
Sea salt and pepper. Yeah. I knew there was a little kick in there.
Very interesting. Well, this is what it looks like when I bite it. When I bit it. How it breaks off. Anybody have this? Look at that. Look at you have of it. Trying to give me more to eat.
So the verdict is in. They're not bad.
Yeah.
But never will I be like, ooh.
Yeah.
Epic bar. Let's get one.
That's literally how I was when I saw it at the store. I saw it at Aldi, and I was like, hey, just like on the video. Let's try them out on our camping trip. Not no more though. Not since we've tasted it.
Nope. It's like, I've never had a MRE, but this is what I assume an MRE is like. Though I know those were probably much worse. But again, it's not bad, but it's just...
It's like pre-chewed meat.
If somebody pre-chewed some meat and then compressed it together to be solid again, that's it's like, it's super weird. Also, I prefer my venison over her bison.
I too prefer his venison over my bison.
I think it's the cranberries mixed in there, because I like bison burgers.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking too, the cranberries.
But yeah, the cranberries ain't where it's at. So, stick with my old venison, we switched back.
Yeah, I just took a bite out of each one. He was like, you can have this back.
No.
But I was fine finishing mine. I don't hate it, I just don't love it. And will not be repurchasing it.
So, I mean, how much was it?
I don't know.
Well, try it out for yourself, but it's a no-go. Again, not terrible. Just something you're not expecting, and you don't want to experience it again.
It's got a lot of protein in it. This one has 7 grams of protein, and then I think that one has more. But if you're looking for something to hold you over while you're out and about, 12 grams on this one, on the venison. If you're looking for something to hold you over while you're out and about, try it.
Yeah.
See if you like it. For this view, I would definitely recommend staying at this campsite. It's lovely. But I do also want to stay at one of the campsites that's on the other side of the street. They're the ones that are actually like at the lake shore. And I don't know if they have access to it or not though, but I know you can see it. But I don't mind this view either. But I also do want to see the lake.
Finally got it finished. Had to move that propane tank back there for the wind to get blocked a little bit because it wasn't really reaching the pot all that much. Like it was on, but the wind was just blowing it too much. But anyway, got the finished product there, just over rice. The wife over there. Dogs are eating. Gave Riggs his second bone. That'll be done probably by the time we done eating. We shall see. Look how big his bone is. He has no self-restraint. Anyway, about to eat. It's 10:14. We have officially packed everything up. Tent's gone. We left some wood there for the next person. Barely anything, but always leave your site how you found it. Leave no trace. So it's our documented proof. If there's stuff here, it wasn't us. So we're about to hit this road. Actually, we might hit some trails before we get on the road. So we'll get it, y'all.